Good morning, everybody, and today we're going to do a video of the unload of a container. And if you look here, I'll just put my camera around, you'll see we got a lot of space. We're going to fill it up and then we'll promptly unfill it as we ship it out. We've got a lot of back orders to go out to all of you. So here you'll see I got open spaces, more open spaces, more open spaces, racking, and then I have a whole nother floor upstairs too. So we're going to be stuffing this place full of equipment that then we'll be unpacking and preparing to go out to you. Okay, that is a container unload and unpack. Obviously configuring this stuff into pallets. As you can see here, lots of pallets, unstacking all the units here, and dividing it up. We'll do then a double count on all our serial numbers and then tuck everything back in place, and then we're good to go on this shipment. But that gives you a good idea of the kind of work that happens. By the way, it's about 8:30 at night here, so we've been going pretty long.